Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The West Indies women will be back in action on home soil later this month when they host Sri Lanka for a white ball tour. As Gerard Morris-Sealer reports, the focus is on rebuilding the Windies women into a competitive unit.
After 8 months of inactivity preceded by 8 defeats in 14 ODI matches and 5 wins in 9 T20s last year, West Indies women will start their 2026 campaign against Sri Lanka this weekend. The teams are in Grenada for 3 ODIs and 3 T20s, and the Windies women will be preparing for the T20 World Cup in June while aiming to secure their first points in the ICC Women's Championship, a qualifying ranking system for the 2029 50-over World Cup. Coach Shane Dietz says the upcoming series is a good place to start with developing a champion mindset in his troops.
So having those winning goals and then how we're going to win to get there, or what we need to do to get those winning goals, is a real crucial process to go through. So then create that mindset of winning and going out and trying to then break it down to win a session, win an over, win the next ball. You know, and if you keep winning each ball, each over, each session, well then you're going to win the match. So it sort of starts with a big goal and break it down to smaller little goals.
Though Cricket West Indies is putting systems in place to usher young talent into the senior setup, Coach Dietz still has the veterans in his plans, especially the home girl.
So we're not looking for Steph or Afi to retire yet. We definitely want them for a bit longer yet. And Afi's probably had the best 12 months of her career nearly. She's ranked one of the highest bowlers in world cricket at the moment. So she's got plenty of time left, and here in her home turf, she's going to dominate, I'm sure.
The tour gets going with the ODI series on February 20, with the West Indies leading the head-to-head, winning 18 of the 35 matches. Skipper Hayley Matthews, who is back on the field after recovering from a shoulder injury sustained in June last year, is hoping for her team to set the tone against the Sri Lankans.
Make home ours, and I guess really give teams a hard time coming down here. And really make it a big challenge for teams to come down here to the Caribbean and play on our soil. So this is going to be the perfect time for us to kind of set that up and I guess align things how we want to, playing at home in front of our crowd, and hopefully we're able to set a really good example for how we want to go about the rest of the year.
All matches will be played at the Grenada National Cricket Stadium in St. George's, with the T20 series set to bowl off on February 28. Gerard Morris-Sealer for TVJ Sports.